So here we have the GQC6 software. Today we're going to be using HG268 triangle gloss meter. Here at the bottom you can see that it says disconnected. You can also see the status by clicking on instrument and clicking on status. Right now it says disconnected, and once you connect the instrument to the PC, the connection status automatically changes to connected. Here you can see the model that we're using today. Now here it says connected and calibrated. If you still wish to calibrate it again manually, you can click on instrument and calibrate. So here the calibration is done. Now to view the values that you have taken with the gloss meter, you can click on instrument and manage records. Here you can see that we've taken 6 measurements with the gloss meter. You can choose the ones that you want to select by clicking on these check boxes. And of course, you can select the ones that you want to display, the angle that you want to display by clicking on these check boxes right here. To insert these data into an Excel file, you can click on Export to Excel. Once you save the document, the Excel file automatically opens like this. Or you can choose to directly print these data by clicking on Print, and the Print Preview dialog box opens. If you want to store these values in the software, in the GQC6 software, you can click on Import Record. You can choose to rename, and by clicking on OK, you can see that the values are inserted into the software. If you want to clear all records, you can either choose on delete selected records or delete all. And if you click on these, all values will be deleted. So here, as you can see, the values are in the software right now. If you click on measure, you can see that there are 3 modes. So this is the basic mode where the values are just displayed as it is. If you click on statistical mode, you will get the average, maximum, minimum, and standard deviation values. And if you click on quality control, you can see the value, difference, and judged result for all 3 angles. So now we're in basic mode. If you click on settings, you can also see a bunch of different options. You have the language, naming options, setting standards, setting the measurement angle, tolerance, and also you have display settings. For creating a report with these values, you can click on report, and again you can choose to print these, or you can convert these into a Word document. So once you click on print to Word, the Word document gets created. You have the glossiness testing report, and you also get to view the graph. In the graph, you can also make changes. You can hide some of the angles that you do not wish to see. You can display just one of these lines, and so on. Finally, if you wish to make some changes within these values, if you wish to change the 6th one, you can click on it and you can select File. You can either delete it or you can rename it. So I'm going to delete the last one. So I've deleted that particular entry. Now all these basic functions are also available here as icons for easier use, and clicking on those, you can use them. If you want to measure the gloss value while connected to the PC, you can click on this, and the gloss values are automatically displayed over here. So that is all about the GQC6 software for 3NX gloss makers.